Hi, I'm Kyle with Coats. In this video, I'll show you how to correctly place both clip-on and tape-on wheel weights using the Coats ProBalance E900. Following these steps helps reduce rework and increases first-time accuracy. Correct weight placement is essential to eliminating vibrations and prevents costly comebacks. The E900 guides you step by step so you get it right the first time, every time. Let's start with clip-on weights. Once the balancing cycle finishes, the E900 positions the wheel automatically and the 12 o'clock laser line shows the exact flange location. Attach the clip weight here at top dead center. Then move to the outboard plane and attach the second clip weight. Once both weights are on, respin the wheel to confirm the balance is zeroed out. Now for tape weights, these are common on aluminum wheels or when you want hidden placement. The E900's laser dot shows exactly where to apply them. Always clean the wheel surface before applying adhesive weights. Any grease or dust can cause them to fall off later, leading to rework. Once clean, line the tape weight with the laser dot and press firmly for full adhesion. Choosing between clip-on and tape weights depends on the wheel. Clip-on weights are durable and fast for steel wheels, while tape weights are ideal for aluminum or when the customer wants a cleaner look. The E900 also supports behind-the-spoke balancing. The system guides you to split the weights behind the two spokes so it's completely hidden, but completely accurate. If a weight is misplaced, don't pry it off with sharp tools that can scratch the rim. Use the provided scraper or plastic tool to lift it cleanly, then reapply a new adhesive weight after cleaning the surface again. Correct weight placement reduces rework, keeps customers happy, and ensures a precise balance every time. With the Coats ProBalance E900, you'll know what's wrong, where, and how to fix it the first time, every time. If you have any other questions about weight placement on the E900, drop them in the comments below. If you have any other questions about the ProBalance E900, reach out to your local Coats sales or service representative.